How to remove the dash pad from your 1993 to 96 Cadillac Fleetwood. I am Stephen Wimberly, and this is Working with Wimberly. The first step is to carefully pry away the wood trim that's held in with clips. There's a piece of wood trim across the passenger side to the middle, and there's a smaller piece on the driver's side. So we'll pry those off, and then we can get to the bolts behind them. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips holding this in place, and this was actually very difficult to take out, so be careful with this. Once you get the wood trim off, there are 2 10mm bolts you need to remove. One is right here, that's black. There's another right here, that's black. Once you remove those 2 10mm bolts, there's 2 7mm bolts you need to remove. One is over the heat vent on the driver's side of the radio. The other is on the driver's side above the light switch. The next thing is to remove the vent. There's nothing holding it down, just pull it up. There's 2 electrical connectors in the defrost vent. Just turn them, give them a twist, and they'll come out, and then this gets out of the way. Once you take the defrost vent out, you can see the 2 screws. The last 2 bolts are 7mm, and they're under the defrost vent. So with the bolts out, I'm going to pull forward and then try to lift this up and out. Once the dash pad is out of the car, if you want to remove the airbag cover, just remove the 8 9mm bolts that are holding it in place, and then you can push it through the top and it'll come out. And installation is just the reverse of the removal process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.